How to add glow effect to button in Wix Studio. So in order to add a glow effect onto your button, what we can do is we can head over right here to this plus icon that we can see right here. So this can help us add some elements. Click onto this button option right here, and then just choosing here a button that you want. So for example, let's add in here this particular button, which is this get started. So let's head over and then click on that and then just drag it right around here. Now, as you see, this button has now been added. In order to add a glow effect, head over and then click onto the settings option and you can see in here the button settings. You can also click right here into the design and then it should be able to see in here the button design. So you can still change your button design right here. However, let's head over and then click onto this customize. And then in here, we can see this. So since we want a glow effect, let's click on this shadow. And then let's choose in here a shadow that we would want. So for example, let's choose in here white. And then from in there, you should be able to see an actual shadow for that. So you can make a shadow type of drop or outer shadow. So I'll choose in here drop and I will remove the outline. So as you can see, this button has an outline, so we can head over and then remove that. So we have in here the borders as well, so you can remove that to your liking. So as you can see, it looks like this now. It's not yet glowing, but we can still alter that. Proceed to the shadow settings and then you can change up the size of that. So for example, let's change it at around 60 or 30 shadows and you can actually change that here. As you can see, it's kind of glowing already and you can also adjust the blur depending on your liking, as well as the distance that you would like for this one. So for the final product, you should be able to use whatever kind of glowing you want. So I click the button in Wix Studio. Hope we helped.